Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to talk about SPF, sunscreen, SPF, what you need in your life 365 every day because it is, in my humble opinion, very important. And I'm not really going into like the scientific nitty-gritty stuff. Just know that SPF is important for you. It doesn't matter if there's sun out and you see it or there's no sun, you can't see the sun. SPF every day is a must. I mean, that's just what I feel like is important. So with that said, I want to talk about just like a handful of my favorite SPF products. I've talked about them in the past. Some of them I've used like religiously. Others I've used not as often because they're kind of new, but still been using it long enough to say I can throw them in my favorite SPF collection. So I guess that will be this video's title, my favorite SPF collection. Let's start off with Coola. If you guys have been watching my video, you guys, Coola is one of my favorite SPF, you guys. First of all, the feeling when you put it on, it doesn't feel like your typical sunscreen where it's like kind of like chalky and just has that really, I want to say milky, but sometimes milky is a good feeling. It's just when you put this on, it does not feel like your typical SPF, you guys. It feels nice and cool and refreshing, almost moisturizing. It feels nice to your skin. It does the job. Now, the ones that I have, the white cap here, oops. Alright, so the white cap here is their classic face sunscreen in cucumber. Oh, by the way, smells amazing. If you're not a big person that, you know, the whole like scent stuff is not your thing, I get it. Because sometimes I'm not really big into products that have like smells or scent to it. But with that said, I mean, smells amazing, you guys. No kidding, no joke, smells amazing, alright? This is that classic face sunscreen in cucumber. It's not greasy, it just feels really good. And to know it feels good and does the job, I mean, that's like a plus win-win for me. The other one with the blue cap, this is their classic sunscreen, white tea, organic sun care. And yeah, so white tea, there you go. All right, that's what it looks like. And they do come in like other different types of sunscreen. I do highly recommend this, you guys. It feels great. I don't know why I keep dropping the products, but feels great. If you can't tell, these two are completely empty because I've used it all up. I saved it to show you guys, and I mean, I can't recommend it enough. I love this product. So the next item I want to talk about is Nivea Late in the day, you guys, I'm tired, forgive me. The next item is a Japanese product. It's the Nivea Sun Super Water Gel. Now this I got, and I got it because a long time ago I was watching a YouTuber talk about it, and I'm like, let me try that out. And you guys, this also is a wonderful sun care product. It doesn't have that like sunscreeny feeling to it, so I do like that a lot. And it does the job. My skin feels nice. I don't have any bad reactions to it. Like I said, this particular product is a Japanese product, so there you go. I do recommend this, so I like it a lot. Now, the cool thing about this is it does come in a pump, so I do like that. The other one is a squeezy bottle, which I also do love as well. So it just depends on what you're looking for. But the main thing is, does it work? Does it protect your skin? And yes, it does. It's been protecting my skin, so love this. Again, it doesn't have that like sunscreen, like chalky feeling. So I do love that as well. No white cast, love that. So recommend it. The next item is cetaphil. You can get this at your local drugstore, so you know it's very affordable. This is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer with sunscreen, and it has an SPF of 15. This right here is a facial moisturizer, but it also has the SPF in it, so that's pretty cool. It moisturizes your face, and on top of that, it gives you that nice sunscreen protection, so I do love that. Again, pump, which is amazing. You can get it at your local drugstore, or you can get it at Target. Now, let me think. Where did I purchase this? I purchased this at, I think I got it at, I believe like Target, I think. I can't remember, but I mean, it's a simple cetaphil lotion, and I'm pretty sure you can pick it up at Walgreens, at Walmart, at Target, at CVS, at Rite Aid, what have you, right? Whatever drugstore is near your place. This is amazing, and Cetaphil is an amazing brand to begin with. It moisturizes your skin, especially those who have really dry skin. Me, for one, have super dry skin. Highly recommend it. Has SPF. Good for all skin types, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I do love it. This one, however, it doesn't have that sunscreen chalky, like greasy feeling. But it does definitely feel more thicker. So when I put this on my face, I have to make sure I'm kind of like, you know, massaging it in just a tad bit longer. But, you know, not like, definitely not that sunscreen feeling. Just, it's not like this, where this feels amazing. This feels not quite as amazing, if I'm being honest. But it does feel like, you know, I'm trying to think of a word. Just one step below amazing. What is that? Great? I don't know. You know what I mean? So it still feels nice, and which is why I'm recommending it, and I love it, and I still use it. So, and I mean, affordable drugstore. Come on, you guys. All right. The last item I want to talk about in this video is this right here. Is the Shiseido and their Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion 50 Plus. This is a SPF of 50 plus, and they but it also have this right here, a clear sunscreen stick. Love, 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 you guys. First of all, when it comes to like scent, it does have like that perfumey, scenty smell to it. At least to me it does. Not a big fan of that, but you know, it kind of goes away, you know, after you apply it. It lingers on for a little bit, but then it kind of disappears, so I'm okay with that. The packaging is super cute, so I do love that. Now, when I apply it, the feeling of it, it feels like, how do I explain it? It doesn't feel like your typical sunscreen, so that's one thing. It doesn't feel like it's like super cooling to me. It just feels, it's just a different feeling. I can't explain it, you guys. So hard to explain with words. It just feels very like you have to really work it in type of feeling. You get what I'm saying? But the biggest thing is SPF 50, and it's for your face and your body, which is amazing. And on top of that, water resistant for 80 minutes. All right. So am I going anywhere with that has water? Not really, but I mean, just knowing that is pretty cool. My biggest favorite thing about this Shiseido product is their clear sunscreen stick. I carry this baby around everywhere, you guys. So I put sunscreen on every single day, you guys. So before I head out to work, I put on one of my sunscreen, you know, whichever one I want. And then during my, you know, break that I have from work, like my lunch break or whatever, I have this in my purse, and I apply a little bit more on my face, on my hands, and just having this around and carrying it, it helps me be more proactive about putting on my sunscreen. Because honestly, the sunscreen, you apply it in the morning, but it does not last all day. And sometimes having to like put a lotion type of sunscreen back on your face, it's just a little bit too much. But having this stick and just, it just works perfectly. It's clear, you know, so it won't like have like that white cast to it. So you know, once you apply it, you don't have to worry about having like the white residue you have to rub in. You get what I'm saying? So I love this stuff. This one, it does have like that semi-perfumey feeling to it, but I feel like it's not as strong as this one. Yeah, definitely have like that tint of perfume smell. But I mean, it's okay. I'm not a big fan of that part, but I still use it. I love it, you guys. And that is the end of my favorite SPF collection, I guess. So yeah, I do recommend putting in SPF. That's just my own humble opinion. And of course, you know, is your skin. Do what you want. You know, do you. All right. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I wanted to share with you guys just a handful of my favorite SPF, and you know, maybe you might want to try one of them out. If you've tried them already, let me know down below and tell me what you thought of them. If you haven't tried it and you do want to try them, tell me which one you want to try, and I'm curious, you know, your thoughts, your opinions, all that good stuff. Go ahead and comment down below. Any questions, leave a question down below. Alright you guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, give it a thumbs up, and also if you want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe, tap on the notification bell, and if you want to see, I guess, more of me and my life and whatever, go ahead and follow me on my social media platform, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all the good stuff. Links are down below, or type in at Guacamole21. Alright you guys, I guess I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys!